Hi, this is Lauren from LSP Actions, and I'm going to show you how you can add the moving snow animations to your images in Photoshop using the LSP Ice Kissed Winter Photoshop Action Suite. This set contains over 45 actions, everything you need to edit your image for a really truly winter feel. This video tutorial I'm focusing on adding the animation. So I'm going to come down here to the red and yellow section, add snow video. If your actions are showing in grey, like this, here's the add snow video section here. You can click this and click play, although I much prefer using button mode, which is the coloured mode. So click up here on the little kind of burger lines and hit button mode. So I'm going to start by clicking here, create video overlay. And do this once you're happy with the edit of your image. And what this will do, it will create a brand new image with a video timeline underneath, so you won't be saving over your original. A window pops up so you can choose your overlay, resize and hit enter. So I'm going to hit continue here. Open up the snow flurry video layers that came with your download. Let's view these a little larger and choose which one you'd like to overlay onto your image. So the names are quite descriptive. Let's go for a heavy snow but calm, and place this on. You can resize, position it where you like, hit enter, and the action will play out, creating a video timeline for you down here. So you can use a black brush to mask off anywhere you don't want this overlay to show, and you can also change the opacity here of this bright and snow layer. This is your background image, this is the video, and this is an adjustment just to brighten the video up a little bit. I'm going to hit continue. And we have a few more instructions here. So you see this video timeline down below. You can hit the play button here to watch the video, which will be a little bit slow and clunky in Photoshop. It always is until it's finished. Drag the slider back to the beginning if you want to. This video is set here to 20 seconds. You can grab this little stopper here and you can slide it smaller to make a shorter video if you wanted to. So I'm just going to zoom in a little bit. Let's hit play and see how this looks. There we go, we can see the snow moving over the top. It's a little bit faint, so I'm going to come up here to the bright and snow layer and pop that opacity all the way up so we can see. Let's move the timeline back to the beginning and hit play, and now we can see the snow is really falling over our subjects here. This is set to 20 seconds. You can always make it shorter if you wanted to. That will obviously make the file size smaller if that's an issue for you, but I prefer to try and leave these as big and high quality as possible. You can add another layer of snow over the top by clicking here, add another video layer, hit continue and choose which one you'd like. So how about breezy snowfall medium? So again, exactly the same as before, you place this one on, hit enter. It'll set it all up for you. I'm going to brighten this one up again. And now we have the two layers going on top of each other. So there's a lot more snow going on. When you're ready to save this video as an MP4, you can share it to Photoshop, share it to Facebook, Instagram, you can send to your clients, whatever it is you would like to do with this video. You hit save video overlay. Hit continue, and these are the settings I use. So for example, snow with your client name up here, just choose the folder, Adobe Media Encoder, format H.264, preset high quality, the size, document size, so you don't want to make it bigger or smaller than this. I've already resized it for you in the actions to 2048 pics on the long end, so that's perfect size for being a high enough quality video for Facebook, but not too massive that the file is in the gigabytes. Frame rate, you want this to be the document frame rate, 30 frames per second. If you need to change that for some, it might say 29. Sometimes it does, maybe change to 30. Field order, progressive. The aspect is the document. You want to just keep this all to the ratio of the document. And the range, you want to choose work area, especially if you've dragged the stopper down to make it smaller. And hit render. This will then open up the progress bar of the exporting window. You've got to wait till this goes all the way across, and then you can go to the folder and find the video. This can take a little while, especially I'm rendering here 2 video layers, plus it's 20 seconds, and I've got my own video software running to record this video. So it's going to take a little while. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to pause this until it's finished, and then I can show you the exported video. Okay, so we're nearly there. That must have gone super quickly. I did pause that for a minute there. Okay, so I'm going to open up the video and we'll see the finished result. This is saved as an MP4. So let's see. And there we go. Pretty. So you can add this to Facebook and Instagram, social. You can add it to your website as a video. You can share it. I think you can even add animated profile pictures and covers now on Facebook. You can give this to your clients as part of their package or part of the session. They would love to share this. And this video can repeat, so we can just stick it on repeat. If you play this on Facebook, it will just repeat and repeat and repeat. That's what videos do. And you can upload it high quality. So that is the LSP Ice Kissed Winter Collection for Photoshop, and that is available at www.lsp-actions.com.